Alright. Hey, Ebony, my little sister. I know you've been asking me to sing you a song for like so long. So today I'm going to sing you a song. Actually, I didn't know what to sing you. But in my bathroom, I have like inspirational words on the wall. And so I kind of made up a song with those words just for you. So I'm going to sing it right now. And I got to go over there, so I can see the words and sing at the same time. Hope you like it. All right. Ebony Washington, from me to you, my little sister. Hold on. All right, Ebony. I hope you can hear me, and I hope you like this song. Sing like no one's listening. Sing like nobody's watching. Live like you've never been hurt, and then you will see how happy you can be. Woo! Alright, Ebony, I messed up at the end, but I hope you like it. It's supposed to just be like, and then you will see how happy you can be. Alright. Bye, Ebony.